Well, good afternoon everyone. It's now Monday the 6th of December 2021. For the last few days, or 3 or 4 days, I've been breathing new life into used Class 47 I bought in a non-working condition. And I'm pleased to say I've finally got it working. Last night, as you can see, I tried to give it its first run in the dark, but there were 1 or 2 problems there. Mainly because of bits and pieces of the bodywork poking out and catching. Also, the bogies were not matched well. So I abandoned that game last night and re-explored things this morning, and with a few adjustments now have a working engine. I'll leave you in peace. I did get in a little bit over keen with the horn sound later on. It's got a Brian Jones FX4U Class 66 sound unit in it, which is not particularly appropriate, but Brian doesn't do a 47. I will have to get a 37 to really enjoy it. Anyway, I'll leave you in peace. As always, you can fast wind. If you like it, please give it a click, or whatever it is you do, tick, that's it. And please share with anyone that you might think might enjoy it. Thank you.